Hi guys, and welcome back to the next video on tips and tricks in Caddy. These videos are based on your feedback, so click on the like and subscribe buttons and do not forget to send me your requests and feedback. My details can be found in the description, as well as download links for the files used in creating this video. I received a lot of requests in setting up of layers utilizing the levels. So in this video I'm going to demonstrate a few cheat codes, if you like, to get your efficiency above the competition. I have a completely blank drawing, as you can see, and at the bottom of the Caddy screen layout I have the 2D, 3D setting at the moment on 3D, which I will change into 2D, as well as the absolute relative option, which I will change to relative. I do not want to repeat this process for each and every project I will do, so I will save this as a template. So from the top toolbar I will select the file save as option, select the correct folder, and I'm going to type in my template. It's called revision 0, as I might want to update it without overwriting the current one, and I will select the file type of Caddy template file. I will click save and I'm ready to go. Check out my video of how to set up Caddy to load my template file by default. In a previous video I demonstrated how to change the layer naming convention should you want to customize it. We are going to use the same procedure but with a little tweak. I want to create the following layer setup, and I will name each level accordingly. To change the layer prefix option, I will click on Configure and Environment Settings. Drill down on the Levels option and drill down on the floor story suffix. The default will be floor, so I will double click on that, and at the bottom I will change that and we will call this story 0.00. So now on the levels settings I will select the level settings option, and you will notice the ground story, the level called ground story 00. My elevation start point is 0, which is correct, but my height is 3.145. The display config has already been created. I want to update this config to the cut plane of 1.4, and I'm set to go with this. Very important. Look at the automatically create and apply layers and layer groups option. I've disabled that as I'm going to change the default first. So I'll click on OK to continue. I'm going to repeat the process by clicking on Configure, Environment Settings, and select the Levels option. Drill down to the floor, double click on the value, and I'm going to change that name to 255. Click on OK. When I select the level settings, just to confirm, automatically create and apply layers and layer groups have been disabled. I will click on Add. So the layer groups have not been created at this point in time because I want to change the level name to ground story 255. The elevation height will start at 255, so I will change that. The top height is correct. The display config is already applied. I want to change that also to 1.4 as a cut plane height. But you'll see also the layer groups have not created. It's because the layers have not been created. So there's an option here that says auto create layers, which I will click. It will create them according with the same naming convention. I also want the layer group to be created, so I will create the layer group. Caddy will create it with the same name and will ask me, do I want to assign it automatically, and I say yes. I'm ready for the next one. I will click on OK. I will select again Configure, Environment Settings, select the levels, drill down into floor, double click on the value, and I'm going to change this now to 3.145. Select OK. And when I select my level settings, I will select Add a new layer. Just make sure that the automatic create and apply layers and layer groups have not been selected. Click on Add, and I'm going to double click in here, and I'm going to change that name to first story 3.145. It will start at 3.145, and the height that I want is 2720. The display configuration has already been created and applied. I will select the update config yes, and the height I want here is 4545 as an example. Again, the layer groups have not been created. So all I have to do is under auto create layers, I will select that, Caddy will create them again with a naming convention. I will click on create layer group. It gives me the layer group name with the same naming convention. I will select OK, and Caddy will ask me to automatically assign this to that level, which I do, and it's been assigned. Click on OK, and I'm ready to go. All I have to do now is select my levels to start working. So when I work on the ground story 0 level, I select that option. When I select the next level, ground story 0.255, it will shift automatically. If you enjoyed watching this video, click the like and subscribe buttons, and do not forget to send me your comments and requests. My details, as well as download links for the files used in creating this video, can be found in the description below. Happy drawing!